Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. This is my KTM 390 Adventure and I'm making this video to tell you about the phone mount that I've been using so far and what I'm upgrading to. So if the camera could come close, I'll show you something over here. I got this motorcycle in March and this is the very first prototype of a phone mount that was made by ADV Tribe. ADV Tribe is a Mumbai-based fabricator that does custom parts for all your popular motorcycles in the country. Now, this was a piece that Dipesh, who runs ADV Tribe, he made to test it out, and I couldn't wait. So I just told him, Dipesh, send it to me, I'll test it for you, and I've been using this so far. Now, since this model, this was the very first prototype, Dipesh has already done 2 redesigns. Now, if the camera again comes close, I will show you something. If you see this bar over here, the thickness of this bar is 26 millimeters. Now, the KTM handlebar, it comes with its own unique size. This is a 26 millimeter handlebar. Usually handlebars in India are 22 millimeters, which are about 7/8 of an inch, or they are fat bars, which you see on big motorcycles, like my Tiger over here. These are 28 millimeter handlebars, which are about 1 1/8 inch handlebar. This is a very unique size. This is a 26 millimeter or a 1 inch handlebar. So Dipesh initially had just copied the exact diameter of this handlebar. Now the problem with that is, this is a generic 300 rupee handlebar phone mount that I use. The problem with this design is, these handlebars are either made to be used for a 22 millimeter bar, which is, if I include this spacer, let me show you. So this is for a 22 millimeter handlebar, or if I take these off, this is for a 28 millimeter handlebar. So Dipesh realized that and he redesigned the complete unit. Now, so far how I was running this handlebar phone mount was, I had wrapped around a plastic tape, if the camera could come close and stay close. I had wrapped around this plastic tape to thicken it so that it sort of comes up to 28 millimeters, and I had just wrapped this around and this was over here. Now I have taken this motorcycle to the trails. This handlebar mount has given me 0 reasons to complain so far. However, some other people, they were saying that this can move with a bit of pressure. However, I personally have not faced it. Let me tell you that. And I've ridden this motorcycle some 3,500 kilometers since then. So Dipesh did a redesign. He sent me the design over here, the new one, and we shall open it. I have already opened up one unit, and I'm going to show you up close how it looks. So this is the finished final product. It says ADV Tribe over here. It's powder coated. This is what it looks like. The welds are very nicely hidden. Once it's on the bike, you'll barely be able to notice it anyway. And along with this, so he's made these custom brackets, these clamps, which sit here and then they lock the mount into place. So for example, once it's here, there won't be any movement. So it cannot just become loose and start rattling. That's not going to happen. So I just wanted to give you some context of what the first prototype was like and what the final product has evolved into. Now I'm going to show you how to install it on the motorcycle. The first thing that we are going to do is, we will have to take off the windscreen, which is one of the easiest jobs because it's just held on one 4 millimeter bolt. To open a bolt, go anti-clockwise. Okay, so the windscreen is off. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to undo these two bolts, one over here and one on this side. So what really keeps this in place is you know, this washer and then this screw over here, this not screw but this little washer which gets bent into place. This, I don't know what it's called. This was the first prototype. This was never meant to be released to public. This was just for testing. Thankfully Dipesh sent it to me, and this is the final product. It's, the diameter is thinner, is less, and also it's slimmer over here. Now I'll show you how to install it. It's the easiest job in the world. So all the mounting hardware comes along with the product. By the way, this costs only 1,500 rupees, which I think is a fair ask for the quality that you're getting. So as simple as this, it's going to go over here like this. Now the thing that you need to know is, if you see, the width here is uneven. This side is smaller, this is thicker. So the reason why that is because it's going to go over here. The slim part is going to go towards the rider and the thicker part is going to go away from the rider. So if you see, once this goes here, there will be very little movement, so it won't just drop down. Not that it has ever happened. So like this. So if you see, this is nicely seated. There is still room enough for little adjustability, and you can have it in whatever position that you'd like, slightly high, slightly low, that's up to you. Now the advantage of a 22mm bar is I can use this generic, you know, AliExpress phone holder along with its spacer right over here. So this sort of makes the width here 22mm, and I place it like this and I tighten it and I have my phone over here. Now what is happening here is there is still a bit of room from so I need to maybe put a layer of tape over it so that, you know, it grabs onto it nicely. So for example, if I have something like this, all I will do is place it like this, just to see if these fit. Maybe another layer. Yeah, so this should do. I'm just going to get a pair of scissors and cut this. Yeah, so it's tight enough. All I now need to do is take this 3mm bolt, so first let's just so see, this is the max movement that you'll get. Okay, so I'm going to put my phone here. Yeah, okay. So now the windscreen can be mounted in two places. This is the low position, this is the high position. I prefer having it in the high position. This is it. So 4mm key. I will tighten all of this down later. The whole point is to show you how this works. And now if we come back here again, you'd see this is how where the phone will be. Now the reason why I don't like having a phone on the handlebar, rather over here, is because when I'm looking far ahead while riding on the highway, I want my phone, my GPS to be in my peripheral vision. I do not want to be looking down constantly, taking my eyes off the road. So I just prefer having it over here. So I'm going to leave a link in the description and on the screen of where you can buy this. You can check out ADV Tribe. He has a lot of amazing stuff for the Interceptor as well. I've personally used some of it. And he's got a lot of equipment for the KTM as well, including this very cool reservoir guard. This is just a very, it's an aesthetic element. Functionally, you'll never really hit anything over here, but it just looks nice. So stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to end this video over here. The cost of this product again is 1500 rupees. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Thank you.